spending the morning here at Helderberg Village, chatting to the residents about their money. And I just want to say a big thank you to Estate Living and to 10X for inviting me. I've had a wonderful, wonderful time. So enjoyed the engagement and the questions from everyone here. And of course, what an incredible estate. So beautiful. Big thumbs up to Heldeberg Village. Lovely spot.
Hello, it's Andre Tuck from 10X Investments. We just had a session at Helderberg Village with my official friends and myself and Kellen Potier. It was very interesting. We enjoyed the interaction with clients. We covered current financial scenarios, as well as the topic on the panel was how to make your money last longer in retirement. A very engaging crowd, very good questions, very well received, and we enjoyed the session very much. And we would also like to thank Estate Living for their contribution in hosting the event. It was very well organized and we really enjoyed it. Thank you.